to share your NFL ticket with your family. First, you need to create a Google Family group. For that, go to your web browser and search for Google Family. You will find this link. Now click on this link and click on Get Started and create a Google Family group. Now you will be able to get started, and the next processes are simple. Follow the steps to add up 5 family members. Next, make sure your YouTube TV account including NFL Sunday Ticket is active under the Family Manager account. Once your family members are added, they will automatically have access to your YouTube TV content at no extra cost. To watch your family members just need to sign in to YouTube TV using their Google account linked to your family group. They will get full access to all channels, live games, and NFL Sunday Ticket features. You can share it with up to 5 people. Everyone must be in the same country, and this works for both the base plan bundle and the Primetime channel version. And that's all.